Welcome to the vlog. Today we're gonna do something that we've been talking about for a while. But first, we have some singing to do. Happy birthday to you.
Don't sing, Carl. It's gonna rain.
Happy birthday.
It's gonna rain.
Let's go.
Get red, baby.
Here, how old are you now?
I'm 30 this last year. Didn't count. 2020 didn't count.
It's 31.
Either galing
Oh Lord.
streams of different villains.
Getting dirty. Oh no. Fast cadence you have there.
I'm afraid I'm gonna fall. This is the fast food.
Wait, so you go up there with a motocross?
Yeah, the off-road bike.
Really? And all the way and there's a trail there,
Yeah, there's a trail there.
but not bikeable.
Dili bike.
Off-roading. Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
You're so in tune, Carl. Wow.
How exciting! Coffee.
Carl, na walking it ba, di ko ka kuan. Unahon na nga marag.
Ma-ride?
O di ka na marag mo isakto na mo gani or something. Saka mo dili ba? Yeah, mo na entrance siya og trail. What? To ana motor.
But like before, these weren't like this. They weren't like steps before.
I think mauna ni siya.
When you did it.
Yeah. Mauna ni siya. Recent man may nagkuan like
Oh.
last na ko agi I think early this year or yeah, this is an entrance.
And goes there.
Yeah. Kay magsunod-sunod ra mo ko sa. We don't have cups. Bring your bottles.
Oh, there's no cups? Apparently we don't have cups. It is COVID time. See if we can get cups over there in the Sari Sari store. Thank you, Mom, ha? Sige, thank you. Bye! Oh, kuya, cool can you see Gerald? Basta 31 na siya, oy. Yeah, with the shades and everything.
Cool guys don't look at explosions.
I forgot to take my initial impression though. I just drank it out of like a it's coffee and I'm like, oh, it's so good.
It's not just coffee, Carl.
Wow.
It's coffee with love.
What kind of coffee is this, Jer? How'd you make it?
Cold brew. Kenya.
Kenya? Yeah.
Hours.
48.
48 hours.
Are you really gonna talk to the camera
12
with
to 18.
chocolate in your mouth?
Yeah.
48-hour brew.
Cool guys don't look at the camera. 48-hour cold brew.
48-hour cold brew Kenya from
Coffee Madness.
Coffee Madness beans.
I don't know. It kind of tastes like 12 hour.
Rain, rain. You can do it, Jer! You can get up this hill! Woo! The sun's shining now, but it really poured on the way back. So that birthday ride took a very unexpected turn. But Jer, Happy birthday, bye. We are happy to bike with you all the time. And we especially like the cold bro coffee. Shoutout doesn't climb the ride by the numbers. 29.95 kilometers, 2 hours, 9 minutes, and 54 seconds moving time with 541 meters of elevation gain. No born days. Please subscribe. At least I can finally clean my shoes.